Freedom Musing Farm and Arbor Homestead. It's almost at 100 subscribers. First off, I want to thank all of you that have subscribed. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Playing now are 4 different seed packets. I don't know what kind of homestead you have or what you need for your homestead, so I'm giving you the option to pick your prize. All heirloom seeds. What more could a homestead need? Please share to all your friends and give them an opportunity to get these wonderful seed packages. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out new videos.